Ban rakhi ya kasngi bakarpang jongki Kynthei shitilup kaperthai International Women's Day. Menta usnam ka Khelo India Center KIC Ribhoi District rengkat berka Sports Authority of India ka Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka Khuborjylla lengba ki District Sports Office District Youth Officer bat ka Mai Bharat. Kin Pynlong hakah nyo Tarik Lber ya ka Lympung Ialehkai ki Kynthei balai kerteng achieving sports milestone by inspiring women through action ha Madan Marngar. Kijing Ialehkai ha kani ka Lympung ki kenthop ya kajing Yakob mare shispa arspa bat sauspa mitar na ka benta ki Samla Kynthei ki ba hapo khatlai snam khatlai hadu khat prasnam bat ki tu ki bala palat ya ka khat prasnam shaneng. Ha Meghalaya ya kani ka Lympung Yakob an Pynlong ha Marngar Ribhoi Nongston West Khasi Hills but William Nagar East Garo Hills. Labatha ya ki tu ki bakwa ban shimbenta ha kani ka Lympung kin apply lingba kani ka website balapan I harum. Ya kirta jong kinong shimbanta in pej benya hakatu kasngi yaki Aadhaar card ka jongki. Kajing thumu jong kani ka Lympung kalong ban penslur bat kentiu yaki Kynthei ha kijing Ialehkai ba bon jat jong kani ka jukmenta.
Khelo India Center, KIC Ribhoi and Mera Yuva Bharat, My Bharat Ribhoi will observe International Women's Day with an athletics competition on March 7 at Khelo India Center, Marngar. It is a unique initiative to celebrate women in sports. Nationwide athletics league at 250 locations across the country, of which 3 is in Meghalaya, 1 in Ribhoi, 1 in Nongston and 1 in William Nagar, will be held under the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Asmita program, which stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action program, to celebrate International Women's Day in advance on March 7 and 8. This initiative aims to boost women's participation in sports and identify talents across districts ahead of major global events. On International Women's Day, the sporting events focusing on athletics will be held at Ribhoi, at Nongpo, the KIC Center, in 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters across the age groups of under 13 to 18 years and 18 plus categories. Each venue will have 5 technical officials, multiple volunteers, a competition manager and a district youth officer who will ensure that the records of the finalists and the winners are recorded on the Asmita portal, Khelo India portal, which will be used by site to pick up young talents. My Bharat Ribhoi and KIC Ribhoi, we are inviting women and girls across all the eligible age categories to participate in the event to be organized on 7 March at Khelo India Center, Marngar. And all the interested participants are informed to register themselves in advance on My Bharat portal as a youth volunteer, as a youth, and then apply for the event on the portal itself under the link International Women's Day. On the day, we will have offline registration as well, and age verification will be conducted, and therefore all the youths and public in the district are encouraged to register and actively participate in this initiative of the Government of India International Women's Day Asmita League on 7 March at Ribhoi Nongpo KIC Center. Thank you.
Nakalian Khelo India coach, but office my Bharat, Hakajingya Trelang, but ka Khelo India Center, ni Pynlong ya ka Asmita Athletic League. Ban Pynlong ya ka International Women's Day. But ya ka ni ka Jingrakhe and Pynlong ka Madan Marngar ka Ban Long ha new Tarik March 2026. Ha ka ni ka Jingrakhe ya ka ni ka Asmita Lake and Pynlong ya ka Ialehkai Athletic kan thup ya ka 6 meter, 8 meter, 7 meter, but ka fun game ya tug of war. Kumta ni khot snobha ya ki Samla Kynthei wat kilong mi ya kanika Ialehkai ni fia ya ka live benta under 13, under 18 but above 18. Kiba wan shakmat ha kanika Ialehkai lengba ka Khelo India kila ban sim budget ban late trial society sport authority of India. Ni ken tu ya ki khna Samla Kynthei wat kilong mi when sim benta ya kanika Ialehkai International Women's Day. Nakabenta penrung keteng bad register yalade hakane phila ban lecha portal My Bharat. Hakane ka Ialehkai International Women's Day kum ka sibenta ban kot ka khia namta bar of Ibril. Te kumta kane kapor ban reporting time jo kane kapor new budget step. Khubor